Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a Google Slides video tutorial. So first off guys, what you have to do is from the get-go register with your Google account. So maybe if your browser is already connected to Google, you just automatically go in, but now we're just going to do that again. Now guys, if you could please give me a brief second to remember my password, because I did forget it. And just within that time you just enter your account. Now I found it, and here it is. After that, just click on next and you will enter. Here we go. And now we're in. Now here guys, it's kind of it can be too basic for you guys, but that makes it more simple. So guys, you can import a theme if you'd like to, there are recent themes. If you have ever done any presentations, you can paste the theme, search in Drive, paste URL, you can upload, you can see in your Drive shared with me, and yeah. But simply guys, you can just here make presentations. Here you can add a slide, you can add a title, slide, selection, section, header, title and body, whatever you want guys. It's basically like PowerPoint, but a web version of it. So here you can add these kinds of themes, like the beach day theme. There are already imported themes in your Google Slides. So here we can add a title, like the title can be summer days. Like we can add here a subtitle by Nasdaq. Again, in the second slide we can add a title. We can, but this time we can the title can be in a bigger shrift and with underlining. Now we can see we can enter like I love summer days. And now you here can enter why do you love summer days and whatever. You can also format the texting. You can align and indent, line and paragraph spacing, bullets and numbering. You can also add borders and lines, format options, clear formatting. You can also insert an image, text box, audio, video, shape, table, chart, diagram, word art, line, whatever you want guys. You can view as a slideshow, motion, theme, builder. You can view it as a grid, like if this is going to be easier for you, you just select it this way. And you can see the guidelines. Here are they. You can do whatever you want. It's up to your imagination to just make a presentation, and whether you'd like to make it appealing to the people who are going to watch the presentation or not. It's just up to you and your creativity. If you haven't imported a template though, if you have, you can just find templates like you can Google Slides templates for free. And now there are going to be free templates for you, like in this Slides Go. This, I'm not promoting it, but you can just find their free templates and just some simplify your work. If the templates given by the Google Slides seem to be boring to you, you can just find other teams from internet, and you can also add extensions, get help by the team, training updates. There are many things you can do in here, are like arrange the things, make a new slide, duplicate a slide, delete a slide, skip slide, change background, apply layout, like you can here make it as a main point. I love summer days. You can just put it like here, right here, and then you can here add a like insert text box, and you can just manage how big the text box you want it to be. And here you can add one of the real reasons I love summer is because I love swimming. And yeah, you can just do whatever you want. It's up to you. And that was it for the tutorial. I hope that I've helped you with the beginning of your Google Slides journey, if I might say it like that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.